Animal tissue. It is in the first year zoology. Group of cells to perform a similar or specific function is called a tissue. Study of tissue, histology or microanatomy. This is important for 2 marks in the IPE. What is histology or what is microanatomy? That is the question. And here the tissue is formed with the help of group of cells and also the extracellular matrix. So with the help of these two, the tissue will form. So here extracellular matrix means like collagen, elastin, fibers and cell bonding proteins. So these are including in the cells. So here we have a different type of tissues based on the structure of cells and as well as based on the function performed by the cells. So these are the basic parameters to divide the tissues. So based on these two, the tissues are 4 types. So epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, neural tissue. These are the main type of tissues in the animal. So here first epithelial tissue. Here epi means outer or upon. So the outer layer is epithelial tissue. And connective tissue. Connective tissue means it will connect or binding the organs and as well as the other tissues. Then muscular tissue. Here muscular tissue give the support to the skeletal tissue. They are the tissue, which means this tissue will excite and conduct. So it is muscular tissue. Then neural tissue. Here the neural tissue will give the impulses, means conduction and impulses or stimulus or responses by the neural tissue. So here the MCQ for MCET and NEET, we have a germ layers, right? In the embryonic stage gastrulation process, we have 3 germ layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So in the MCQs they ask the question, which type of tissue is originated or developed from which type of germ layer. So that is the MCQ. Match the following or statement or right or wrong. So here the epithelial tissue is originated from any of the 3 germ layers, either ectoderm or endoderm or mesoderm. Then the connective tissue is originated from the mesoderm. Then muscular tissue. So here the M for mesoderm. Muscular tissue originated from mesoderm, except here we have an exception. Maybe the question may arise from these exceptions. You have to concentrate here. So it is a muscular tissue, but the exception for Irish and ciliary body. These two are originated from the ectoderm, not mesoderm. Then neural tissue. So this is originated from the ectoderm of the germ layer. So this is the question area. Then cell junctions in the epithelial tissue. So here we have a 3 type of junctions. So that is tight junctions, desmosomes, gap junctions. So name itself indicates tight junctions means they prevent the leakage across the tissues. So it will bind the tissues tightly to prevent the leakage. Desmosomes means anchoring or adhering to the tissues. They are connecting to the neighboring cells, just like roots in the plant. Next, gap junctions. They will communicate and transfer of ions and molecules and information, minerals, transport, all with the help of gap junctions. So these are all the type of tissues. From the next class, I will explain the detail about the each individual tissue. Thank you.